Hello students, and we're going to look at the solution to number 4, multiple choice number 4 in your sample quiz from chapter 4 in book 2 of your 1026 booklets. It's on page 109, I believe, 108, 109, 110. Alright, so let's have a look. Which relation below is a function? Now a function is a relation where each x coordinate is mapped with only one y coordinate. Okay, and the easiest way to do that is take the x value, so I'll do a right here. So if I take the first x value, which is -1, and I write it as a mapping notation, I find arrows easier. So -1 maps to 2. Now, does it -1 map to another number? No. Take the next x value, 2. That maps to -1. And does 2 map to another y value? No. And 0 maps to 0. So it looks like we found our answer. It's A. But let's double check just to make sure. Let's look at B in mapping notation. The first x value is 0, and it maps to 0. Now the second one is also 0, so in mapping we wouldn't repeat the x, we'd say maps to 1, and 0 also maps to 2. So you can see now I have the same x value mapped to 3 different y values. Now remember the definition of a function. Each x value is paired with only one y value. So B is not a function. Okay, let's look at C. If I look at C, I have 0 mapped to 1. 0 also maps to 2, and 0 also is paired with 3. So very similar to B, isn't it? So that is not a function. And if I look at the last one, D, I have 0.2 mapped to 2, or paired with 2 if you want to say that word. 0.3 maps to 3, and 0.3 also maps to 4. So we have one x value paired with 2 different y values. Okay, so this is also not a function. Okay, so the answer here is A.